Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can set up and also enable your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you will find a toggle for the hotspot, which for me it's right over here. Now once you locate this toggle, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like, for instance, password. As you can see right here, this is the default password that is generated by the device, and it's absolutely abhorrent, so I recommend just tapping on it and completely getting rid of this one and setting up your own. The password does need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it, as you can see right here. And honestly, that's the only thing that I would consider as a requirement to change, just for the quality of life, but you can change obviously a couple more things in here. Under more, you'll find several additional things like AP band, hotspot automatic turn off, which I do recommend keeping on. It's a really nice feature. There we go. And in here we also have device name, which will be also the name of the network that the hotspot creates. We have connected device, which once you connect to your hotspot, it will show up right here. It will obviously show you how many people have connected, and you can also block them. So if someone connected to your hotspot that you don't want, you can just get rid of them, block them from being able to access it. And security, this is just to either turn off your password or not. I would recommend keeping this on. This will ensure that not everybody can connect to your hotspot, just the people that do have the password. Now, once you went to the settings right here and customize them to your liking, find the toggle once more, and whenever you want to utilize your hotspot, turn it on, simply tap on the toggle. And that's all you would need to do. Now, with the settings that I have set right now, after I believe it was 5 minutes, the hotspot will turn off automatically when no device is connected to it. So that's one thing. And once you finish with it and you want to turn it off manually, maybe before the 5 minutes, you can simply tap on the toggle once again. This will disable it, and everything, well, that's basically it. So yeah, now one more thing that I'll mention is with the hotspot, the reason why I kind of focus on the turning it off or having the toggle on is because hotspot does consume more battery, and if you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be just sucking your battery dry for basically no reason. So that's why I'm kind of focusing on it. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.